It's getting late on a Sunday evening down here in Texas City, folks. I trust everyone is doing well, getting ready for Thursday. I'm sure a lot of families are traveling. Thanksgiving is this week, but this is what my special day was about. Got to trim arugula and then the mixed greens as well. I've got 2 more rows that are due Wednesday, Thursday. I'm sorry, 1 row, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 rows beyond the green beans that will be hopefully right after Thanksgiving, because I don't want to let these get too big. Sure love what I do. Potatoes are looking fantastic. This potato died, but hey, I got a couple little ones out of that. I'm loving it. You guys want to walk in the greenhouse with me? I tied up these Roma tomatoes earlier because they are growing like crazy. And that girl is loaded to the gills with baby tomatoes. And then, of course, on this side, I have the husky cherries, or the large cherries, as well as there and here. So this is exciting. This is perfect for my family and I all through the winter. And, of course, starting in 2027, one more full season, we will become, I'm spinning that around to give you this, my wife and I are going full time as organic farmers in Texas City, direct to restaurants, especially the farm to table restaurants, which now we have about 5 that have showed interest in us. 1 or 2 of them actually have already started. And then, of course, we hope to sell to you guys directly here on our little farmer market table that we set up in front of the subdivision, as well as the Friendswood Hardware, which is now known as Garden Emporium. I don't know how often we'll do that because we're not doing it this weekend because of Thanksgiving, so we'll do it the following, which will be the first week of December. And, of course, we'll go down there loaded with greens, probably some bok choy. Got a lot of bok choy. I'm really impressed. Look at that. Man, you guys saw me bring that up the other day, but keep that in mind and keep us in your prayers. 2026, as you guys know, a lot of you know, here in Houston for the last 20 plus years, the king of solar screens has been our income, has been what's made life possible for my wife and I and our daughters and now our grandchildren. I'm stepping out. I'm finished. 2026, I'm out. So we're going to continue to grow this farm throughout 2026, this next season, so that 2027, this is all I do. This is all my wife does. This is all my family's going to do. And I look forward to serving everyone that I can with this beautiful farm of ours. And you know, the best part is, the other night my wife said, you know, if we keep growing, we'll just get rid of every bit of this grass and make it all veggies. I'm 100% on board with that. Oh yeah, baby. We're still going to start doing a lot more herbs, especially oregano, which I was doing some research. My banana trees, which I keep along this back fence, that soil in between them is just there. There's nothing there. I don't plant anything. So oregano likes sunlight, which that gets plenty of, but it also loves shade. Dry to moist soil. It doesn't want too wet and, of course, not too dry. And that's exactly how that soil looks back there. In my green, my low tunnel, not really my greenhouse, because that's on this side. My low tunnel, I've already got, I think it's 30 oregano flat, or a 30 tray flat of oregano, which has about 4 plants in each, because you know them seeds are like super tiny. Look at my fires growing up beautifully now. So I'm gonna start transplanting that oregano probably around January. But that's our hope as well. That basil and thyme to start selling to an Italian restaurant next town over. At least that's our prayer right now. I'm looking forward to getting back in for a second meeting with them folks. And as you can see, I added some firewood, as I mentioned in another video. I'm out here enjoying just an absolute, look at that sunshine, just sitting behind the trees. What is it, 10 minutes till 5 right here in Houston, Texas City. Absolutely a beautiful way to end the day. Beautiful weekend. Getting ready to let the Lord bless us for another week. And, of course, again, Thursday is Thanksgiving, and I pray that each and every one of you have an amazing, and I mean an amazing, Thanksgiving. You guys be blessed. Thank you for following along. Thank you for your prayers, your support, making sure that our little farm back here just becomes an amazing organic location that folks just can't wait to show up. And I've had several requests for tours. it's not really all that like impressive looking, but as the season goes on in the spring and summer, of course, the plants will be just huge. The okra, the tomato, corn, all of this stuff. So that is an amazing time to come tour it and have a good time. But as for me, I'm going to wish you guys well, and I'm going to go back to doing some hammock time. You guys be blessed.